Hello, you're watching Online Cues, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can add locations to the images or the videos that you upload to your Instagram profile. The first thing you would have to do is run the Instagram app on your mobile phone, and when you do that, make sure that you pick the photo that you want to upload. So this is the photo I presumably want to upload, so I read a caption here. So this is somewhere in UK. So you can do so like this, and then you can also tag people here. I'm not gonna tag people obviously because there's nobody over here. That from here you can tag your locations. You can share it to your Facebook account if you have it, your Twitter and your Tumblr. You just have to make sure that you signed into all these apps on your mobile phone, and then basically share it. So once you shared it, it's gonna finish up. So you can see the line Old Trafford underneath my Instagram handle. Now this is the place. If anybody clicks on it, sorry, this is where they will be directed to. So this is how you add locations to your media on Instagram. It can be your photos or your videos, it doesn't matter. You can add locations that way. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our channel.